Assalamu alaikum, this is Ayesha and today I'll be discussing Ramadan Dips. Do you notice at times during Ramadan you begin to slow down? Everything starts to get to you. Work, routines, going to Tarawih, maintaining your fast, it gets to you. Tiredness kicks in and you're finding it real hard to push yourself. How do you get over it? Understanding the process of our body can help. So in the first few days of Ramadan, it's our body going through a detox. So we have lower sugar levels, lower blood pressure, and this slows us down. Our body is going through a cleansing process, and this is usually associated with symptoms of nauseousness, headaches, dizziness, bad breath. And hunger tends to be the most hardest in these earliest days. And then we get this spurt of energy. We feel really active, we have better concentration levels, and we generally feel on top of it. But by mid-Ramadan, we then start to feel tired. So remember that this is absolutely normal. This is our body telling us that this is the process that it has to go through. So don't beat yourself up. Go with what your body is telling you, so slow down. Start to think about reducing your load. So if you're going to Tarawih, think about doing half or praying at home, reading a little bit less of the Quran, reducing your routines or your work schedule, your activities. If you can, take some time off work. Make full use of support. So turn to friends and family who can give you that positive energy. And think about ways of how you can help each other. Listen to motivational talks. It's okay to take it slowly, and this will help to re-energize yourselves, especially in the last remainder days of Ramadan. Our Facebook group will continue providing valuable updates on Islamic mental health topics, events, training, and much more. Join our group to participate and stay updated on the link provided below.